Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize game list management on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, system settings, and more. Step 3. Next, locate the Game Mode option. Tap on it. Step 4. Now locate the Game List Management option. Tap on it. See? The Game Mode will turn on automatically when apps in the list are opened. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select the apps to activate Game Mode instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.